Production number.
Acceptance and action team. It values understanding gender as a social construct, recognizing and challenging systemic inequalities. Thank you and good evening.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Our tonight's advocacy is the gender sensitivity. Gender sensitivity for each and everyone. Not only for straight people, but also for the LGBTQIA+ community. Individuals involves understanding and respecting the diverse range of gender identity, social, sexual identity and experience within the community. It is about making an inclusive and supportive environment for each and everyone, regardlessly for their gender and sexuality. They should all feel loved, valued, and understood. That will be all. Thank you.
Sensitivity is not just a human right. It is a fundamental cornerstone for building a fair and thriving society. Yet, around the globe, gender biases, stereotype persist, limiting opportunities and fostering inequality. Addressing this challenge it's crucial, not only to uphold human dignity, but also to unlock the full potential of everyone, regardless of gender. Together, we can break barriers, shatter
The same opportunity and right regardless of their race, gender, or social status. And I thank you.
Sarapang! Sarap lagi! Sarap pa! Sarap pa! Sarap pa! Aragay! 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 Sarap pa! Sarap pa! Sarap pa!
genders
Oh!
sensitivity requires to empathy to
Kayara! Kayara!
educate
Dito, bang naman! Hindi magkarak sa nga! Sagsak na ka ron!
Is act of being aware of the ways people think about each other, so that individuals rely less on assumption about traditional
Wow.
and outdated.
Ay, kabalan, no? Kabalan, kabalan. Ay, kabalan.
It is process in which people are made aware of how gender plays a role in life through the treatment of life, and that's how uniting sensitivity is awareness and respect diverse gender identity beyond of male and female. Thank you and good evening. Rich with diversity, it is our responsibility to foster respect and understanding for all genders. Gender sensitivity is not just about recognizing differences. It is all about breaking stereotypes, ensuring equal opportunities and celebrating the unique of every individual regardless of their gender. Always remember, kahit sino ka man, bahagi ka ng bahag-ari. Thank you and good evening. With an advocacy that aims to create
awareness, inspire conversation, and empower communities to challenge biases and embrace inclusivity. Together, we can build a society where everyone feels seen, heard, and valued. Let us champion where equality is not an aspirational, but a reality. Once again, good evening.
Gender sensitivity is about understanding, respect, valuing the differences and similarities between all gender. It is about acknowledge that everyone, regardless of their gender identity, deserve to be treated with dignity, fairness, and compassion. Unfortunately, we still see children being assigned our rules is not outstanding nation for community and femininity. Women continue to fight the barriers in their workplace, and individuals who identify of outside the gender binary often struggle for recognition, acceptance in their communities. Once again, I am Christina Marie Chua. I am proud to advocate gender sensitivity. Thank you and good evening.
A call for change. Gender sensitivity is not just a concept. It is a crucial social movement demanding recognition, respect, and equality for all. Advocacy plays a vital role in these driving movements forward, creating a world where everyone feels valued and respected. Advocating for gender sensitivity requires understanding the issues, challenging stereotypes, advocating inclusive environment. This involves educating oneself about gender inequality and equality. It is not just a goal, but a reality. Once again, thank you.